Welcome back. It is day 10 of hammering on this piece of steel every day until it turns into a sword. And remember guys, for every new follower, that is an extra hit on the sword right here. And thanks to y'all, we have been making just a ton of progress so far. So I think today, we're gonna flip it over and get to work on the other side. And we are up 109 new followers on Instagram just since yesterday. So that's gonna bring our grand total for day 10 up to 119 new hits. It's gonna be a good one. All right, we got 119 hits for today. $20 more to go. We're making some progress. If you want to see me get a lot more work done on this, be sure to follow.